Sacred symbols and objects. The Igbo people utilized various symbols and objects in their religious practices, each imbued with spiritual significance. 1. Ofo sticks. Ofo sticks were symbols of authority, truth, and justice. They were often held by elders and priests during important ceremonies and judicial processes. The Ofo represented the moral authority of the community and was believed to have the power to invoke the ancestors' presence. Kenga figures were personal altars representing strength, achievement, and protection. Carved from wood, these figures were kept in homes and were the focus of prayers and offerings for personal success and community well-being. Shrines and altars dedicated to specific deities and ancestors were central to Igbo religious life. These sacred spaces were where individuals and communities connected with the spiritual world, offering sacrifices,